This tutorial will teach you how to make a large tote bag with pockets and just about half a yard of fabric and some scraps. I've digitized the pattern that I made for this tutorial so you can print it out and follow along with the step-by-step. Just visit the link in the description below and you can download the pattern. You don't have to sign up for any email or anything. I made this bag pattern so that it would fit pretty much exactly on a half yard of fabric that's 45 inches wide. To start with, you want to prep the pocket, hem the upper edge of the pocket. Now you want to stitch the pocket onto the front of the bag. I included some markings on the pattern that I made to help you line this up properly. Next, you want to place the straps to cover the sides of the pocket and sew them in place. You want to stitch along both sides of the straps. And then you also want to leave the top 3 inches unstitched for now, because we are going to hem the top of the bag later. Repeat the process for the second side of the bag. I chose to only put a pocket on one side of my tote bag, but you can put a pocket on both sides of yours if you want to. Now it's time to prep the base of the bag. Fold the long edges of the base over a ½ inch and then baste. Now you want to line the center of the base up with the center of the bag and edge stitch onto the bag. It should overlap and cover up the bottom of the straps and pockets. Now you want to fold the bag in half with right sides together and sew up the sides. You can finish your seams however you like, but since this bag might get some heavy use, I decided to use double fold bias tape to make a seam binding. This will make the bag construction a little bit sturdier overall. Now you want to flatten the inner corners of the bag to make a triangle and then sew straight across 1.5 inches away from the point. This gives the bag more of a shape so that it's not going to be completely flat, and it helps to reinforce the corners of the bag. Now you need to hem the upper edge of the bag and then sew the straps over top of the hem that you made. And that's it, you're finished. You have a large tote bag with pockets.